Oh, hang on. Hold it like that. Like that.
Let's see your face, Dom.
Die, die, die! They look quite good, but will they look as good in the air? I think we'll find out in a minute. So I'm with James, and this is the BF109 and the new Spitfire from Eachine, from our friends at Banggood.com. So, like many of these, well, the first thing I'll say, I don't know why it's taken them so long to do a Spitfire, because we've had loads of Warbirds in this mini Warbird series from Eachine, but at last they've come out with the Spitfire. They come in the box. Literally, all you've got to do is push the propeller on the front,
yep.
Charge up the battery with the supplied USB lead via your laptop or whatever, and it comes with the transmitter as well, which you've just got to put 4 AA's in, and you're ready to go. Now on the transmitter there are 3 modes. There's beginner, mid and expert mode. Beginner mode, it won't bank very much. It's really limiting what you can do, which is great for a beginner. Literally you could buy one of these and give it a go down the park. The mid mode gives you more bank angle, more pitch control, and is again stabilised, and expert mode just allows you to do whatever you want. So let's chuck them in the air, let's see how well they fly, see if we can fly together.
Okay, let's give it a go.
Or you chase me, I chase you.
So is there a launch technique, or just chuck them and
full throttle
and chuck them?
And chuck it, yeah.
Okay.
Ready? We'll do it together just for fun. No, go wrong. Ready, Jay?
What can go wrong?
Oh, yeah, go for it. Someone's lost a prop.
Oh no, I'm still going. I've shot you down, yes!
The Brits beat the Germans.
That's I've got the BF109 victory roll. Oh no. Victory roll's not allowed. I have to go to expert mode to do a victory roll.
Oh. I think it's a bit too expert for you, Tom.
I'm not ready for expert mode.
Considering how breezy it is, they handle it pretty well, don't they? On the path retrieving.
So I think maybe my wing clipped his propeller and pinged it off, because his propeller's further up the patch. But that's pretty good fun. And in this wind, what it's like gusting 15-20 miles an hour.
At least.
Yeah, it's pretty gusty. James, I think it was up that way. But the Spitfire won the battle against the BF109. Lots of fun. So the link for these is in the video description and the pinned comment if you'd like to get one. But thanks for joining us for this essential RC flight test. Thanks to James, he's still hunting for his propeller. And thanks to Jason on camera. We'll see you next one. Thanks for tuning in. See ya.